Okay. So, of course, my priority now is my family. So I need to take care of my kids because I have two kids already, and um, we don't want to, risk their security. So I'm the one who gave up my career, and then my
Right.
husband is the one who continue working. So that's it. But right
That's
now, since
good.
they are already growing up, and I have more time for myself and for my dream or my goal in life, so I really want to continue still, even if I'm going 40 already, and I know that there are a lot of competition. Hi,
Hi, Celine.
good afternoon. Hi,
Good
Maria.
How are you?
Good.
That's good to hear. Celine, right?
Yes, correct.
Yeah, how are you feeling today?
Um, a bit
Right now.
nervous. A bit nervous. But I've been to a series of interview also before, so um I have a little idea
Yeah,
of this one.
that's good. Yeah, that's okay. Being nervous is really fine.
Yeah,
We 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 always feel nervous whenever we have an interview or whatnot.
interview, yes,
But
that's
yeah.
correct.
So yeah, hi, Celine. Can you tell me more about yourself?
Okay, so I'm Celine Ibo. I'm 39 but going 40 this coming May. So I'm a mother of two kids. So I'm a full-time housewife right now. So I worked in a bank for almost 14 years, and from
Wow.
there I was assigned to different kinds of roles. So I was an administrative assistant also to the vice president. So I'm the one who's handling his calendar meetings and orientations. I also handle the reports, different kinds of reports, and I was also assigned as a car loan processor before. So
Mm.
that's the first role that I was assigned to when I entered in the bank. And right now, I'm a 5-1 talk teacher, so
Mm.
I'm teaching online to Chinese students. So that's only a part time. So I want to grow where my heart is, which is working um, in front of a computer. So that's really my dream job or my goal.
Right, right. I mean, working in a bank, I think it's really a great job, and maybe
Thank you.
you
Yeah.
also will be working in front of the computer. But if I may ask, what made you leave there or find another opportunity?
Okay. So, of course, my priority now is my family. So I need to take care of my kids because I have two kids already, and um, we don't want to, risk their security. So I'm the one who gave up my career, and then my
Right.
husband is the one who continue working. So that's it. But right
That's
now, since
good.
they are already growing up, and I have more time for myself and for my dream or my goal in life, so I really want to continue still, even if I'm going 40 already, and I know that there are a lot of competition, but I know in myself that I can still do it, and I can still
Definitely.
yeah, I can still do things that like the fresh graduates can do also.
Definitely. So my second question would be, beside your family, or aside from your family, what would be the other motivation, or what would motivate you aside from your family?
Of course, yes, aside from my family, my motivation is my personal goal in life, because I'm a really kind of person who wants to really continue to learn. So I don't want to stop learning. So even if the new social media, I really I really try my best to really know how to use it, how to navigate it. So I don't want to stop. This is for myself
Right,
also.
right.
For I'm a I can say that I'm a career woman. I'm still a career woman, even if I have a family.
That's good to hear. So yeah, this is gonna be your special question, Celine. What do you do for self-improvement?
For my self improvement, of course, I continue to research through Google whenever I see for example a word or a sentence that I want to understand more. So I search it at Google. So that's what I do for myself so that I would know, oh, okay, next time I know what does it mean, the jargons,
Right.
the different kind of jargons right now. So sometimes I don't understand. So I research it for myself. So that's what I
Right.
do.
That's a great learning as well. My last question would be, why should we hire you among all of the applicants?
Okay, so why should you hire me? Because I believe that I'm a perfect fit as a virtual assistant lead generation because I can do my job well. Even if it's in the comfort of our home, so I have the equipments and the needed skills for this job.
Thank you for that. Would that be all?
Yes.
Gotcha. Thank you for your answers, Celine. So that's it
Thank
for my
you.
interview.